Do you like the word avocado spring rolls or vegetable spring rolls?
I like the word avocado.
I love the word avocado.
Yeah.
So what's cooking, good looking?
What's cooking, baby?
We are here in August for August. I have the beautiful Miss Ellie Well.
Hello.
Turn around.
What?
That's my girl.
Tell me what's cooking or not cooking.
So what is not cooking is going to be our vegetable spring rolls with a fancy peanut sauce.
I love it fancy.
Don't you love a peanut sauce?
Love peanut sauce.
For our sauce ingredients, we are going to use a chili paste, a creamy peanut butter. We're gonna sweeten it with a little bit of agave and a special sauce that I just found today. It is a sweet potato nectar. Then we'll, make it a little bit tart with some lemon. All right, so let me tell you the ingredients that we'll be using. It's super simple. We have tri-color peppers, carrot, cucumber, bed of mixed greens, and avocado. You can add whatever you like inside of this recipe. You can add sprouts.
As long as it's raw, because
Obviously, we're in August. Hello. All right, you ready to get into this?
I'm so ready. I'm so hungry.
All right, so first what we're gonna do is add some water to a plate,
Okay.
right? Because we are gonna be using rice paper. I found a brown rice paper, so we'll see how that goes.
Cute.
So basically you dip, wrap, and eat it.
That's a lot of water.
Yeah,
Yeah. You do that on purpose, right?
it's on purpose.
Okay, okay.
So now you're just gonna soak our rice paper until it gets softened.
Okay.
So we'll do that to each of our rice papers so that we can get it flexible.
I see.
Like you.
I like it.
You want a bust a move for them or something?
Not in this moment. I have a skirt on.
Right, okay, I got it.
Not the moment.
I got it.
Yeah, let's eat the rice paper.
Let's eat the rice paper.
So how long does this have to soak?
Probably about a minute.
A whole minute. We
A
can do
minute
that.
is a pretty long time.
When
So
you're
let's-
hungry, it's a long time. But it's less time than most things that you have to cook. So we're still winning.
100%. I'm gonna add the second one to the bottom, shorten our time.
That one's for you.
Oh, let's
Okay.
see this first one.
It's cute. It looks like glassy.
Oh, there we go, it's ready.
Oh my god, that was so fast.
I know, it was a little shorter than a minute. So we're gonna place this over here. Do you mind moving the lemon for me?
Come through.
Awesome.
Oh my god, it's so sticky.
It's really not sticky. It looks like it's sticky, but it's not. All right, so now we're just gonna dress our spring rolls.
Get dressed.
I like to start with the greens first, and we'll just lay them here flat. Get it going.
Cute, cute little foundation.
Little foundation.
Green foundation for ya.
Then we'll put some of our vegetables on there.
Keep it fresh, keep it healthy.
Keep it fresh and keep it healthy. That's how we gotta do. Some carrots, some cucumber.
Keep it clean, keep it hydrated.
Oh my God, and the avocado.
This is like the glory moment.
It's the glory.
I always do like avocado extra because like we know it's extra.
Extra avocado, for sure. All right, so when rolling, we're gonna go ahead and bring that forward.
Oh, you better pay close attention on this one.
Okay, we're gonna squeeze a little bit.
Roll, squeeze,
Turn,
tuck,
tuck.
Grab.
And then we're gonna grab the ends of our spring rolls and kind of just bring them in. So we're gonna fold them.
This looks like origami. Okay, cute, cute. So she has a really nice little tuck technique for you.
There we go.
Okay.
I like mine to kind of stay nice and skinny. You know? Roll that on up, roll that on up, roll that on up, roll that on up.
Dang.
There we go. We have our first roll.
It's so cute.
It's so cute.
That's such a little cutie.
Such a cutie pie.
Oh my god. Wait, so we're gonna make how many of these?
We're gonna make 4 of them.
One for you, one for you, one for you, one for me.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and soak the other 2.
Okay.
How was your day today?
Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I went for a really long walk and it started raining, but like not too much, like a nice little drizzle.
I didn't catch the rain today.
I did.
Oh, that's nice.
I needed that
It
little
must have only rained in your area.
Yeah, it was really light, like a just tiny little sprinkle.
I got it, I got it, I got it. So I'm still layering. I'm about to go ahead and place the avocado on here, like so.
Like so, like that.
And then we do it the same thing again. We tuck, we squeeze,
Tuck,
squeeze, fold,
fold,
and we wrap it, baby.
wrap.
And we're wrapping. There goes number 2.
That one's cute.
That's cutie pie.
How's your morning?
I woke up early. but I actually didn't move.
Like you woke up, but you were like
In the bed
stuck.
still. I just wasn't ready for the
woke
world.
up and then you just stayed up and you just stayed still.
And I just stayed still.
It's okay.
You know? I'm actually having some Instagram addictions, so I'm gonna need to work on that.
Yeah, I mean, hey, I have a few addictions I'm trying to cut.
100%.
You know what I mean? It's tough times out here.
100%. And we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna lay our bed of greens.
Get the greens.
We're gonna put our peppers. We're gonna add some cucumbers,
Cute.
some carrots, and some avocado for the win.
It's so fresh.
We do our same thing again, baby. We flip, we squeeze, we fold, we tuck, and we roll, baby.
and we roll, baby. Flip, squeeze,
Tuck, fold, and roll.
Flip,
Roll. I'm having some
squeeze,
complications
tuck.
on this one.
That one looks a little challenging. We're gonna make it. Still tastes the same, okay?
And it still tastes the same.
All goes to the same place.
There we go.
Oh, she made it.
I made
she
it.
made a good recovery.
It came back. I had to come back, you know?
I like it because like each of the wraps have like their own
personality.
Right.
You don't have to be a professional wrap roller to make spring rolls. Okay, we almost there. We are family.
Same mom, same dad.
It's a situation.
Sisteration.
It's a situation. It's a situation.
It's a situation. We are so dumb.
It's a situation.
But it's so true.
It's so true.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Here we
So
go.
you have to be really delicate with these. Obviously, it's rice paper.
Yeah.
So it's super thin.
It's an origami game.
Ah! Okay,
Okay.
so bounce. All right, and we're gonna flip it.
Ooh, that was a good one. Look at that. That was your best one. This is a close call.
It's a close call.
This one's a close call.
And flip.
Flip it.
Now you have the option of cutting these in half if you'd like to, but I like to eat mine like a burrito. Now
Take the
that
whole
we
thing.
have made our spring rolls, our avocado spring rolls with vegetables in them,
We didn't make them. You made them.
I made them. We are now gonna go to our sauce.
Okay.
We saucing like a boss.
Get saucy. Well, I think you should let me help with the sauce.
Oh,
You know?
perfect.
Yeah.
I'll take you up on that.
Okay, watch the sauce skills.
Okay. So we're going to do 1/4 cup of everything except for this boy, because I don't know what that tastes like yet.
He's new.
And we're going to do 1/4 cup of this one.
Okay.
Do you see
Look at that.
what the rock is presenting to you?
Look at that beauty. It's so fresh.
It's so fresh and so clean, don't you know?
Chili paste, okay? Take your chili paste. It's 1/4 of a cup. That's what I want you to know.
A little less than that. It's okay.
It's a little less than 1/4 of a cup.
A little less than 1/4 a cup.
A little less.
A little less.
Okay, next we have the agave.
We have the agave.
We have the agave.
We have the agave.
Is this opened already? Yes.
Yep, I made sure to make sure we did that. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know how you know how to prep.
You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Should I cut it? I think it'd be cute cut.
Maybe some people like it cut.
Okay, well, do you want me to cut it or you want me to keep it like a burrito? Because I like to eat it like a burrito.
I want to try it cut.
Okay, let's do it cut. Okay.
This is gonna be 1/4 of a cup. Whoop! Ooh, it looks like a party in here. Oh my god, cute! My favorite piece.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. I love peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
Okay, this one is a little saucy.
Okay.
So we're gonna get it a little more creamy. Give me 1 second at home.
I'm so proud of Ellie right now, guys.
Because of why?
You're cooking. You are cooking with your sis.
Look at me now. You inspire me, you know?
Oh, how sweet.
You inspire me to make beautiful things at home sometimes. trying to be more like UP. Okay, that's gonna be enough. So this is 1/4 of a cup, right?
That's enough of like praising me?
No, I meant enough stirring.
Okay.
I'll praise you for a lifetime, my friend. Come on, amiga.
Yeah, that's good. So
Okay.
we'll put 1/4 a cup in here. Like so, like that.
Okay, Tabitha Brown.
Ooh, baby. I'm gonna help you with a lemon.
Help me out, help me out.
Let's squeeze that
Check
on
me
in
out.
there. Making lemonade.
Ooh,
Not
girl.
really, but
Did you ever do a lemonade stand when you were little?
when I was little. Actually, I did.
You did?
Yeah.
You seem like that kind of hustler. You're selling it for 50 cents.
Girl, they was $2. What you talking about?
That's
50
called-
cents. Ooh, that's looking good. That looks spicy too.
Spicy and fresh. I think it may be a little much chili paste.
But you know, I actually love spice.
I've been getting better at spice, I have to tell you.
I'm so proud of you.
I actually bought spicy Thai shrimp pad Thai the other night.
You did the spicy one?
Yeah, and I never do that.
Oh, you
And
don't.
So I was trying to step my
So
spice
this lemon
game
is
up.
going to break that up.
Oh, thank you. That's what I was thinking.
Guys, you can also use liquid aminos
Okay.
in this or soy sauce if you'd like to make it like more soy-like.
Options.
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 All right,
Oh,
so now
wow.
we're gonna add this. We're
Now
gonna
we're
do
gonna
just a
add
couple of drops of this. Let me taste it. Can I taste it?
Yeah, you get in there.
Let's get it. Oh, we saucing like a boss.
Saucy.
We saucing like a boss.
Okay, let me try it.
Saucing like a boss. Okay,
Okay, let's see if I can hang.
you can.
Oh man, that's good. You need that one. Oh my God, that's actually so good.
I know.
I'm shocked. Ladies and gentlemen,
All right.
whatever just happened,
I'm gonna
make it
start with
happen.
pouring just a little bit, maybe like a tablespoon.
Okay, a tiny bit sweeter. I feel like this is just gonna make it a little sweeter.
It's gonna give it like a.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay, let's see what that's it.
That seems like
That's about
Oh,
right.
that looks like art right there.
Right.
Has the moment arrived?
The moment has arrived.
Saucing like a boss.
We're gonna go ahead and pour this in here, right?
The time has come, folks.
It's the time of the essence. The sauce is always the favorite part of any dish.
I agree.
Oh, baby.
Can never have too much sauce. Can't hang with a boss.
Too much sauce. Ow. Like,
You can't even wait to try this. Oh, look at that drizzle. Dang, it's gourmet up in here.
ow. Don't play with us.
The drizzle makes everything like at least $10 more.
This is so good.
Maybe $20 more if there's a drizzle. What do you think? Right?
100%. Babe, are you ready
Cute.
for this taste?
Okay. Girl, I've been ready.
You ready?
I can get a good angle.
Oh my God. Maybe I should hold it.
Oh my God, can we eat?
Yes, we can. Are you ready?
Girl, I've been ready.
I'm ready. I'm about to dog this one.
Let's go.
I'm gonna dip mine in my sauce like so.
Okay, when I dip, you dip.
I
we
dip. Heaven. Oh my God.
The glory. It's a situation.
It's the glory for me. Oh my God, it's so good.
You cut these like perfect bite size.
Right?
Oh my God. Like a little kick, but the peanut.
butter. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh. OMG.
Oh my God. And
That
there
one
you
is-
have it, guys. Our avocado veggie spring rolls with an oh so delicious peanut sauce.
Oh, so good.
Made by LUL.
Try it at home.
So hopefully you like this recipe, try it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there you will find so many other great recipes.
Portia's apron.
Not just raw, but raw for ragas. Just feed us and call us pretty. It's so good.